Welcome. Today I'd like to show you around this really exceptional 2017 Mustang GT we currently have for sale. The first thing you notice about the car is how striking it is in the Ingot Silver paintwork over a black interior. As you can see, the car comes with the gloss black roof panel, gloss black alloy wheels, additional rear spoiler, and the black really sets off the silver and vice versa. It really is a stunning car to look at, really striking. The car is running on 19-inch alloy rims, non-standard rims, and as you can see, the car is lowered to give it that really improved stance, and I think you'll agree that it really is a striking vehicle. Not only is the car lowered and fitted with non-standard alloy wheels, the suspension that's been used on the car is from Pedders Performance, and they are adjustable coilovers, so the suspension can be tuned for the driver's needs, which is a very, very nice addition. We do see a lot of these cars that are simply lowered, but the addition of the adjustable coilovers is a fantastic option. The car is running on Michelin tyres. The Michelin Pilot Sports are a great addition to these cars as well. The cars originally left the factory with Pirelli tyres, but anyone who knows about these cars know that transferring over to the Michelins is a really great addition to handling. Obviously, with all these additions to the handling and suspension, you need to make the most of them, and that comes about by the addition of a Whipple Supercharger. Stage 2 Whipple. We've used these on many occasions. They boost the power from around 415 to in excess of 750 horsepower. An amazing setup. The car also has the additional full performance valve covers. It has the alloy expansion tank, and in the engine bay you can also see the adjusters for the suspension's damp and rebound. So this is a proper motor car for the enthusiast driver. As ever, the interior of the Mustang GT is a really nice place to be. This car has the optional heated and cooled seats, the shaker stereo system with the boot-mounted subwoofer, and Ford Sync 3 connectivity with sat-nav. Also, this car has had the addition of a GT 350 style steering wheel with the flattened off lower section, the billet aluminium gear knob and reverse lockout, and also in place of the centre dash vent we have the Whipple boost gauge, just to show you how much boost we're getting through that supercharger. I'm so incredibly impressed with the condition of this car. The additions that have been made to it really complement the car and make it so much more a driver's car. .750 brake horsepower and an almost endless seam of torque to exploit. They really are something special. This certainly is a car which you can have some serious fun in. On the road, and even on a track day, this car is incredible. You could certainly do this all day. if you'd like the full spec on the car, please give us a call, drop us an email, and we'll tell you all about it. But it certainly is something very, very special. Supercar performance at a very, very reasonable price.